Hi, my name is Brittania Poon, and I'm an attorney with the Nashville Public Defender's Office. And I want to talk to you about your rights as it pertains to the police searching your vehicle and your home. In theory, the police generally need to get a search warrant to search your home, your car, or your belongings if they believe a crime has been committed or is likely to be committed. In reality, the police don't always get a warrant before performing searches. The courts have carved out exceptions to the search warrant requirement. When the police ask for permission to search your home, your car, or your belongings, the answer is always no. I do not give consent to search. Do not let them trick you into giving them permission. They will ask you several times and in several ways to give up your rights. The police can search your car if you are arrested during a traffic stop and they believe that evidence of the crime can be found. That is probable cause, and they do not need a warrant to complete that search. Probable cause is when the police believe that a crime has been committed, is being committed, or is likely to be committed. If you are lawfully detained in your vehicle by the police, they can run a drug detection dog around your car. If that dog alerts, they have probable cause to search your vehicle. If the police detain you, they believe you have committed a crime. They will ask you questions to try and fish for more evidence to support their probable cause. Another example of probable cause is if they see a beer can in your vehicle through the window. They can then search your vehicle based on that probable cause. Consent to search your vehicle means you are giving them permission to search your car. If you give consent, they do not need probable cause to search. Let's talk about searching your home. The police have the right to knock on your door and try and ask you questions or ask for permission to search your home. You should not give them permission to enter your home. If the police do knock on your door and ask for permission to come in, you do not need to let them in unless they have a signed warrant by a judge. However, in some emergency situations, the police can search your home. For example, if someone is screaming inside or the police are chasing someone, they can search your home without a warrant. If you are arrested, the police can search you and the area around you. The area around you is usually the room you're in if you are in a residence. Even if officers have a warrant to search your home, you still have the right to remain silent. You should not answer any questions. You should stand silently and observe what they are doing. You should not answer questions or speak to the officers while they are conducting the search of your home. You should stand silently and observe what they are doing, where they go, and what they take. You should write down everything you remember as soon as possible. If the police see evidence of a crime, like drugs, in plain view when they open the door, they can take that evidence even if they don't have a warrant. People who live in public housing have the same constitutional right to privacy as everybody else. If you rent, check your lease conditions to understand when your landlord can enter or give entry to your rental property. If you are a guest in somebody's home and you open the door to the police, you should make clear that you are a guest in this home and that you do not have the permission from the homeowner to let them in. If your rights have been violated, write down everything you can remember. What agency the officers were from, badge numbers, patrol car numbers, and any other details you can remember. If there are any witnesses to the violation of your rights, you should try and get their contact information as well. If your rights have been violated, you can file a complaint with the Community Review Board. You can even file a complaint anonymously if you wish.